In this video, I'm going to show you real quick how you can add diamond puffy pattern to your Chesterfield furniture or even any other furniture. All right. So here I've created the base for my Chesterfield furniture. I assume as an intermediate, you know how to get to this point. So I'm just going to go to the edit mode and show you that I've also added some more polygons to my model, and it's squared. You can see no rectangles, just squares. This is to keep it easier for me to create the pattern. And so now I'm just going to select this on the face selection mode. I'm just going to select this face and then shift control to get to this point, and then I'm going to select it, and then I've selected these faces at this area, all these faces at this area. So now I'll go to the vertex selection mode, and then on the vertex selection mode I'll go to select and then checker this select. So now I've made a checker this selection, and then I'll come to this data object properties or object data properties or whatever, then create a new group, assign this selection to the group just to save it. So now I'll select this part again and repeat the same action. A selection, check ID select, assign. So 3 again. Nope, not this part, sorry. 3 again, 1. And where is it? Selection, check ID select, assign. So now I'll click on select to bring back all the selections. So now what I'll do is I'll go to the vertex, then connect vertex pairs. Click on it. Now you see it creates this diamond kind of shape. I'll go to the edge selection mode now and then bevel it. Control B to bevel. Add one more segment. So now I will select this on the face selection mode, and then I'll go to select similar area. So now it selects all this for me. If in your own it doesn't make this type of selection, maybe it selects more than this little pattern, all you have to do is come to the threshold and then just scroll it in or out, left or right, and then you get your selection. You just have to keep scrolling it till you reach the point where you want your selection to be. I think it's what, at 25. Yeah, 25 is mine. And then now you need to use the loop tools. So I'll go to, if you don't have the loop tools, this is the loop tools. If you do not have it, you have to enable it. It's an add-on. So you go to preference and go to add-ons. Then you can just search it, loop tools. You don't have to download it. It's already in Blender. So you just have to enable it, and then you have your loop tools appear here. Then on the loop tools, I'm going to select circle, and then it creates a circle for me. Then I'm going to insert this and keep it at this point. So now if you've gotten to this point, you might want to duplicate it and back it up in a new collection. And also you have to UV unwrap it, because I'll be proceeding from here. I'll be adding a subdivision modifier. So it's going to be difficult to UV unwrap with subdivide modifier already applied, because it's going to have a lot of edges and vertices to work into, and which is really stressful. So we don't want all that. So if you've gotten to this point and your furniture, make sure you do the necessary. All right. So now before I apply the subdivision modifier, I'm going to come to sculpt mode, and then on the face sets, I'm going to select face set from edit mode selection. So it gives me this diamond pattern. And then I'll come to the cloth filter. Cloth filter is what we are going to be using to create the puffy diamond thing. So here I have to enable use face set. If it's disabled, enable it. And then on the gravity, take it to inflate. And then I will start now. I will apply my subdivision modifier, because without subdivision modifier, it's not going to have an effect. So now, and on the levels of 3, I'm just going to apply it. So now when you scroll on the dot, make sure your cursor is on the dot, and then click on your left mouse click, left mouse click, and then drag it to the right or left, drag it, and then it starts to create the pattern for you. So now you see what you have. So now, not on the dot, then this time on the surface, on this surface or anywhere on the surface, make sure it's not just the dot. And you have to select now and click again and do the same. Drag it to the left this time, and then you see we already have a diamond puffy pattern. So yeah, congratulations, you just made a diamond puff pattern. So now what you can do is just to improve it, make it look nicer. And yeah, thank you for watching the video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and yeah, see you next time.